What's up, everybody? So, one of those rainy days again. Went ahead and got some Natty Daddies. Figured, fuck it. You know, they wouldn't even let me match up, Miller or whatever, the premium whatever and shit like that. That's all they're 4 for $5 as well. And then I was like, oh, can I mix and match? And he's like, oh, no, bro, different companies. I'm like, this guy's so fucking full of shit. Cheers. Need to clean off their fucking cans. There's a speck on that. Cheers to you all. Yo, these are nasty. Fuck. I swear I live by one of the shittiest stores. Got a little protection by the trees. A little bit. How you guys been? Yeah? For real? Awesome. It's like a silent chug. No, it's not even a chug. Supposedly, by definition, chug is where you're just like non-stop. Partial chug. So I'm almost up to 190 subscribers. Cheers, guys. To those of you that still watch. Saw a few comments the other day, which I had my computer on to check out who was actually commenting. I'll have to write down some of your names, and I'll give you a shout out. And what up, motherfuckers? Done. 24 ounces are nice, but fucking cans of beer, like 12 ounces, it's like a fucking baby bottle or some shit, right? Cheers, everybody.